tutorial for the parents wanting to get a better understanding of how to navigate their way around ChildCloud. I'll start off with the side menu. These are the most popular links. Your dashboard will basically pull through to this page that looks like this, and you can navigate between each of your siblings. So if you've got more than one child in the school, for example, Dean is in the Sharks class and his sister Cassie is in the Dolphins class, you can now navigate very easily between your two children. The administration link at the top has 9 different modules within it. I'll start off with the attendance module. This is the attendance archive, and there again you would see Dean's attendance archive, and you can easily flip across to Cassie's. The attendance summary is a summary of the whole year, so you can see on a term-by-term basis of when your children were at school. The COVID screener lets you screen your child for COVID before they go to school. It defaults to today's date. You can tell the system if your child is feeling maybe sick today, has a cough. If you have a thermometer, you can do a temperature check, otherwise you can just leave that blank. And then when the child gets to school, the teacher could see that report, and you have the ability to view the history for your child as well. Moving on to the documents page, this is where the school can share documents with you. They can share it per child, and it can be multiple documents shared by the school administrator or the teacher, and you simply click the download button to view the JPEG or PDF. The invoices module would be something that the school may wish to share with you. It's basically the invoices sent through to you and what school fees are outstanding. The parent-teacher meetings module, that is when the time of year comes to meet with the teacher. You can schedule yourself in for a meeting that the teacher can obviously approve online. Permission slips as well, that is when your child is leaving the school on an outing, for example, like a soccer match or a trip to the aquarium, and you can digitally sign that permission slip. Term dates, quick access to when your school is on holiday and the public holidays. Volunteers, for example, mystery readers, soccer dads, mystery chefs. This is where you can put yourself forward as a volunteer. The communications module. This is a great place for the teacher to share photographs specifically of your child. It's very important that you only ever see information for your child and no other child within the school. It's very safe and secure, and everything's password protected. So these would be obviously photographs of your child, and then you can comment on it or you can like it. The birthdays module only shows you birthdays of the children within your child's class, and you can flip between each child, and then you can see staff birthdays, teachers and principals and what have you. Your calendar shows you all the lessons within the virtual classroom, term dates, any important events that are happening within the school will appear on your calendar. You have the ability to flip between a month view, a week view, day view, or a list view. The email archive, basically this is exactly that. It's an archive of all emails sent through to you. Your albums, this is Dean's album in the Sharks class, and this is Cassie's album. Okay, that's just a demo. And then there's a school gallery. So if the administrator uploads something, you'll see it in the school gallery. And if the teacher uploads something, it'll see it in the class gallery. And you can click on the view icon to see all the photos within that album. This is just a demo school, and these are just all stock images. The Messenger app is going to be launched in the next term. This will allow you to message the teacher directly. The news module pushes news between the teacher and yourself, and you can comment on it and like it. And it's basically just a feed, like a Facebook feed that you can view. The reminders module works in a very similar way. The SMS archive, exactly that, just an archive of all the SMS messages. You then got the homework module. We've improved this quite a lot. This lists your child's subjects. There's an archive of all the homework that's ever been uploaded, and then it just shows you the month's view of if there's anything uploaded, any comments from the teacher, and the status. I'll just click into one of them Let's go into life skills. So the homework would appear over here. This is the description of the homework. Once you upload the homework, you could basically just leave a message for the teacher. You could attach your completed work. So if this was your completed work, you could submit that for the teacher to view. The teacher then could write a comment and leave a comment for you, and you can reply back to that teacher. There's a back and forward comments section over here, and then the status changes to handed in once you have submitted it. If you make a mistake, simply delete the homework and you can start again. Subjects, this shows you the subjects that are linked to your child, and you can view what has been uploaded for homework and what lessons in the virtual classroom. Timetable module, this is where your child's timetable will appear. Virtual classroom, obviously very popular during lockdown. Also very nice for the teacher to show you what lessons are happening. So you can go into example, let's go into maths. And I can click on the lesson. And then you can download a worksheet, for example, and you can, once you've completed the worksheet, you can literally click complete. And then you can also, with your answers, you could upload that file and share it with the teacher. Then there's a calendar for the virtual classroom, so you can see exactly what's happening. I've just completed that, so the dot changes from red to green, which means that the lesson is now complete. I could go into, for example, geography, types of rocks. Okay, just a demo, and then Cassie's calendar would look the same. Depending on your child's grade, obviously the content changes dramatically. So that's it for the side menu. Moving up to the top navigation bar, you would have a view of all your children, and you have the ability to view your child's profile, view the attendance, activity archive, student documents. You can also edit your child's profile by clicking this link over here, or you can also edit them by clicking the link over here. At the top, you can flip between the student details. You can edit anything on your child. You can give permission if you want to hide your child from any media-related images on the system. You could just put that to no. Otherwise, you can change it to yes. Save your changes. You can also flip between. I'm just going to go back there. Sorry, 1 second. Go into edit. Go into the parent details. This is where we can edit your details for parent 1 and for parent 2, mom and dad. You've got other contacts, approved pickups, emergency contacts, person responsible for the account, and then the documents. You can upload your child's birth certificate, parent IDs, and stipulate your daycare options. The school staff page shows all the staff within the school, their title, and you can have the ability to email that teacher. The class list shows you all the students within your child's class if you need to contact another parent. This is sometimes not visible by all schools if they choose to hide it for security purposes, for privacy purposes, and you can flip between each of your child's classes. And lastly, we've got the parent profile. This would be you as the parent. You can sign out. You've got your profile page where you can update your address and what have you, your phone number and your email address, and you can change your password. So if you want to change your password, or if you've forgotten your password, simply click this link over here. One thing I just want to touch on at the end is this is obviously a desktop view, viewing it on a computer. If you view it on a mobile phone, I'll just drag the screen in for you, and this is what it's going to look like. You'll notice at the top navigation, it changes to these icons. So on a mobile phone, you won't see your side menu and your top navigation bar. You'll only see these two buttons. The left one is your side menu, and the middle one is your top navigation bar. So if you drag it back out, it goes back to desktop view. And that is it. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.